Hi, I am from Synerzip Softtech representing the QA team. Here I will demonstrate how the Cucumber tool is used to implement behavior driven development. Cucumber describes how software should behave in plain text. The text is written in a business readable domain specific language and serves as documentation, automated tests and development aid all rolled into one format. Cucumber can be run through RubyMine, which is commercially integrated development environment, that is a IDE like editor for Ruby and Ruby on Rails. I have written one feature in the feature directory for creating a vacancy by employer in the Resumex application. Resumex is a web-based application developed in Java and the database used for this is SQL. This is a feature file which describes the scenario. Each test case in Cucumber is called a scenario and scenarios are grouped into features. Each scenario contains several steps. I have the feature where employer creates a vacancy. Here user is login as an employer and he goes to edit vacancy where he selects new vacancy and the consultant to whom he wants to publish the vacancy. The result of this scenario, then he enters the vacancy details as mentioned in the steps and saves them. The result of this scenario should be new vacancy gets created on vacancy description page. Features need a set of step definitions which map the business readable language of each step into Ruby code to carry out whatever actions is being described by the step. Let me run this feature. So we install Capybara external libraries which has drivers to connect directly to the web server interface of our Rails application. We have Selenium driver which works with web applications written in PHP, Java, .NET and so on. These features not only acts as an acceptance test but they are executable specifications. Advantage of this behavior driven development techniques is that here we write the acceptance test as a feature so that anyone in the team can read. We can ask for the feedback from the business stakeholders about whether we are setting out to build the right thing before we get started. So here application performs the operation of creating a vacancy as per the defined steps, and we can see this vacancy in the vacancy details description. Let me point out that Cucumber is not a tool for testing and applications but philosophy for communicating the requirements in a specific well balanced manner so that requirements are crystal clear to every stakeholders involved in project. Thank you.